Of the chapter Biomolecules. So, biomolecules. This chapter has to be started with talking about glucose. So, what is glucose? Glucose is the most important source of energy for any mammal, and that's common knowledge. And glucose is obtained from digestion of starch. Yeah, glucose is obtained from digestion of starch. And what is glucose? Glucose is a monosaccharide, and these many monosaccharides are held together to form disaccharides or polysaccharides. They are held together by a linkage called glycosidic linkage. Monosaccharides are linked by glycosidic linkage. And then we have proteins. Protein is a very popular thing among, I think, everyone, most teenager nowadays who get into gyms. Me too. I mean, not now, but I will. So proteins, they are polymers of alpha amino acids. That means proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids, and amino acids are monomers of proteins. Proteins are made up of monomers, and monomers together make up protein. And then we have essential amino acids. These are amino acids which are not produced by our body. There are 10 of them, 10 essential amino acids. 10 essential amino acids which cannot be synthesized by our body, hence they need to be taken through diet. And then next on we have proteins. Proteins perform various kind of structural and dynamic functions in the organisms. You can imagine what that means, right? Structure and dynamic functions. Now, proteins have many primary, secondary, and tertiary structures, and these secondary and tertiary structures can get disturbed on changing the pH of water or the temperature, due to which their structural properties can be lost and they are unable to perform their functions. This is known as denaturation of protein. And up next we have enzymes. Another popular enzymes might be saliva. I think saliva is an enzyme. Yeah, saliva contains enzyme. So enzymes are biocatalysts. From the word catalyst, you know what a catalyst is. It is a biocatalyst. It speeds up reaction in biosystems. They are very specific and selective in their action. Chemically, majority of the enzymes are just proteins. Majority of enzymes are just proteins. So that's enzymes. And next up we have vitamins. That's very common word, vitamins, that we have always heard that parents always said that we need to take certain vitamins always. And vitamin A, D, E, K. The vitamin A, D, E, K, vitamin A duck. These A duck, they are very special, because they are fat soluble. They are fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, K, and then we have vitamin B and C. They are water soluble. So these vitamins, they differ by their solubility. And then we have, so water soluble vitamins B and C, they are water soluble, hence they cannot be stored in our body because they will be released through urination from body. And then we have nucleic acid. So nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides, and that means nucleotides are monomers of nucleic acids. So nucleic acid consists of a base, a pentose sugar, and a phosphate moiety. Nucleic acids play they they play a role in transfer of character from a parent to its offspring. And nucleic acids are of two types. They are, one is the most famous, DNA, and the second one is RNA. So DNA and RNA, they have a very broad differences, not much, but yeah, they have a very big differences also, which is DNA. The first difference which we can tell in how they look is DNA is double strand, double strand, and RNA is single strand. And DNA contains consists of four base four bases, three of which is same as in RNA, which is three same bases which in RNA and DNA are adenine, guanine, and cytosine. But the fourth base are different for DNA and RNA. The fourth base in DNA is thymine, thymine, and for RNA it is uracil, uracil. So this, you need to remember that one. That's a very important thing. where it can come in exam as a question. The fourth different base in RNA and DNA. So DNA contains a 5 carbon sugar molecule called deoxyribose, while in RNA it just has a ribose. So DNA is a chemical basis for heredity, which contains a coded message for proteins to be synthesized. Meanwhile, RNA, there are three different types of RNA, which is mRNA, tRNA, and RNA, rRNA. So rRNA, tRNA, mRNA, they just play roles in synthesis of proteins. So that's it. That was summary of the chapter biomolecules. It's an easy chapter. Now I will in next videos I will be come up with some topics related to biomolecules. Thank you for watching.